guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing Monday minis. Yes, as you see, this is my Monday minis binder. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip of my coffee. All right, let's just count my singles and see how much we are cash stuffing today. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are having a good April so far. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 singles. I'm going to go ahead and take each of these savings challenges out of here and set them up. Okay, so let's start. I have my dice tower here. So I have 20 singles. Each roll is going to get $1. And yeah, we'll see how much everyone gets tonight. 5. 5. 4. 5. 1. 6, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2. I guess 3 don't want to get no love today. 4, 6. Come on, 3. 1. 5. I have $3 left. 6. This tower is saying, nope, I'm not giving you no 3s today. Wow. Okay. I see how you are, tower. Okay, I'm going to move this tower off to the side. And I'm going to put these, stack them up, and then we're going to go through each one and color them in and then see how much each challenge has total. Okay, so we're going to start off with this one. This one is from Budget with Carly. This has $1, $2, $3, $4. I'm going to go ahead and mark off a 4. This challenge now has 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 2, 3. 43 out of 75. It's pretty good. The next one is everyone's invited to the picnic. I have $3. Let me just take this card and put this up here and grab a pencil. So let's see, $3. I have this little bug here. I'll finish this row up. So everyone's invited to the picnic now has 20, 35, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 out of $65. The Q Owl savings got no money, so I'm just going to put this back in here. Maybe next week we'll have better a chance of getting that. And let's go to the next one, which is the spicy level. Got $3, so I get to color in one little spicy pepper. Oh my gosh, that's horrible coloring. I drew legs on it. Oh my God. So this challenge now has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. And this is going to save me 60. I have to get another envelope for that. That looks crazy. Okay, the next one is Tiki Bears. Tiki Bears got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. All right, let me get my little Tiki Bears challenge and get my little marker. I will do this one here, so it's a 5. Is that what I? Yes, 5. Okay, so Tiki Bears has a total of 20, 30, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50. That is amazing. $50. And look, guys, we're still in the beginning of this challenge. I like this because of small denominations, but it's going to save me a pretty good penny at the end. Put this in here. The last one is this coffee challenge here. Oh, I just threw that marker in the back of this desk. It's okay, I'll get it later. This one now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. An additional 5. So let's color in a 4 and then a 1. So this challenge now has, it should have $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it does. Okay. That is great. Let me put this one back in here. All right, you guys, so that is my mini Mondays. Before I do close out this video, I do have some happy mail. Oh, there it goes. Okay, this happy mail comes from Steph on a Budget. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I have been eyeing some of her scratch offs, so I went ahead and purchased some. Her little sticker says, "Thank you for your order." All right, so let me show you what I ordered. I ordered this one, Honey Dukes. It's so cute. It's a $75 savings. So I have marker on my finger. So each little icon has an amount to save. And then I got 3 sets of the Monsters ink. This one saves 60. This one saves 40. And then this one saves 75. And then I got this as a freebie, which is Roll and Save. So I'll probably use this for my Monday minis. And then she put, "Hi Jacqueline, thank you so much for your support. Happy savings, Steph." And this is her information. Her YouTube is Steph's on a Budget, and then her Etsy is Steph's on a Budget as well. And then I got some little stickers here, so adorable. So yes, that is my happy mail for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and leave me an avocado emoji. That way I know you guys are at this point. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, and have an amazing morning, day, or night. Bye guys.